Horses out. We have Lucky Bilaki. Pass to begin. Miss Elliot. Down on the inside. Life is Delicious. Barawana West is down on the inside. Dolbelia and Quiet Girl. Miss Elliot, the leader, running down on the inside. His Life is Delicious. 4 lengths Winter. Moving up now. Barawana West. Lucky Bilaki on the outside. Dolbelia and Quiet Girl. Into the turn they go. Miss Elliot by about 4 lengths now. And in second, still his Life is Delicious. 4 lengths Winter. Barawana West. Lucky Bilaki alongside Quiet Girl and Dolbelia. They swing into the back. And it's still Miss Elliot by about 4 lengths. Life is Delicious now coming closer in second. And in third, Barawana West, Lucky Bilaki, Quiet Girl and Dolbelia. And nearing the fourth turn, we have Miss Elliot by about 4 lengths. Life is Delicious now coming closer in second. Barawana West remains in third and Lucky Bilaki. Miss Elliot by about 3 lengths. Then here comes Life is Delicious in second. Barawana West in third. As they come down to the last 200. Miss Elliot, Life is Delicious. Barawana West now moving up on the outside. It's now Life is Delicious. Barawana West on the outside. And finally, Life is Delicious. Barawana West, Miss Elliot. Then comes Dolbelia.
At iba pa rin talaga gumalaw yung Noel Camoy, ha? Ako?
Siyempre.
Despite medyo matagal hindi nananakay dito sa Pilipinas, but still, nakita nyo naman yung kilos ni paring Noel Camoy. Well, anyway, yung ating quarter clockings is 17.5, 24, 24.5, finishing at 28. Total time is 1 minute 34 seconds flat.